So here's how to fix laptop randomly shuts down on Windows 11. So first what you want to do is hold the F8 key when your computer is restarting after a shutdown to start it in the safe mode. And next what you want to do is click on the start button once your computer is started in safe mode. Search for view advanced system settings and then click on the first window. Now under startup and recovery, you want to click on the settings button. Next, you want to uncheck automatically restart if it's already checked. So you want to uncheck it and then press OK and then click on apply and OK. Next, you want to open the power settings by opening the start menu and then search for power and then click on power settings or edit power plan. And then you can go back to the power options on the top here by clicking on it and then click on choose what the power buttons do. And in here you want to click change settings that are currently unavailable. Now in this list there should be an option to turn off the fast boot or fast startup. Now if you don't see it in here, you probably have the hibernate mode disabled. So to enable it, you want to open the command line as admin or terminal as admin for Windows 11, which is the same. And you want to run this command, which is power cfg space slash hibernate space on if it's already off. Now you want to open this window again by going to power options and then click on choose what this power button do. And then you want to click on the settings. It should appear in here. So you want to make sure you run the correct command, and we can try to open it again, power options, and click on power options and then click on choose what this button do. Now you should see it. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable and make sure turn on fast startup is disabled. Now once you disable it, you can disable the hibernate off to not be able to enable it again, which can cause problems. Now you can close the CMD. Next, you want to edit the hard drive time. So you want to go to the power settings and then click on power action settings. You should click on the edit power plan instead to go to quicker. And then you want to click on change power settings. And in here, you want to expand the hard disk and then turn off hard disk after and set this to 2 hours, which is 120 minutes. And you want to scroll down to see PCI Express, expand link state power management. And then on the settings, make sure to turn this off. Then click on apply and OK. And click on save changes. Now you can close this. Next, you want to run the command line as admin. Right click on the start button and click on terminal admin or cmd admin, which is the same. Run this command sfc space / scan now and press enter, and this should scan your system and repair any corrupted files. Now once this is done, try to reboot your system and see if that solves the issue. And if you can't solve the issue or the issue persists, what you can do is reset your computer. So open the start menu and type reset in here and click on system environment or go to the settings and then go to system recovery. So you want to look for recovery in this list. Click on recovery and you want to, under recovery options, you want to click on reset this PC, and you can either choose to keep your files or remove everything and perform a fresh reset of Windows. And like they will have to install back any apps that you had before, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.